Assalamu alaikum and welcome to my show Beauty Parlor only on Bypass TV. I am your host and your beautician Gulali Ki Afridi, and I have brought you guys an amazing topic for today, guys, and which is how can your makeup survive from sun in this hot weather. But before I get to that, I want to tell you guys कि हमने अपनी जो date है Lucky Draw की वो extend कर दी है only because you guys were bombarding us and the response was so good. हमने हमारी जो date है वो 21st कर दी है guys, and now you still have a lot of time to quickly stock up all your products of Sunsilk and Glow and Lovely. So guys, जितनी ज़्यादा खरीदारी आप Sunsilk और Glow and Lovely की करेंगे उतने chances बढ़ जाते हैं to win these baddies. We have our blow dryers by Remington and our professional straighteners by Remington as well, which we all direly need, honestly. And is गर्मी के weather में you need both of these. So guys, jaldi buy more, stock up with your Glow and Lovely and Sunsilk and win these baddies. Okay guys, so let's get back to our topic, which is the glam that survives the sun. Sounds really good to the ears, but also it's super easy as well, in just a few things that you have to take care of and you're good to go. Okay guys, so having that said, हमारे पास हमारा long lasting oil free coverage no block का foundation है. And why do we need an oil free matte foundation is because of the weather. So this foundation is going to help you in surviving that sun. So let's open this up and see what it's got. I think I've used this before. I have. Of course I have. We love our no block. Okay, let's open this. And there we go. So let's start applying this. And because when we talk about, foundations and things in this weather, it's always better कि आप जो है उसकी coverage हमेशा कम रखें. The less coverage, the better. So let's start blending this out. This is a matte foundation, so which means कि ये instant matte हो जाते हैं. So you guys have to be very good with your blending game. अगर आपकी blending game अच्छी है, then you're sorted. If not, then start practicing your blending game, because एक अच्छे foundation को blending की बहुत ज़रूरी होती है. Important है that you guys blend your foundations well. आप भले finger से करें, there is no hard and fast rule कि मैं जो हूँ जी beauty blender के बगैर नहीं कर सकती हूँ. No, that's not true. Look up. You guys definitely can, work with your fingers, and because your fingers are warm, it helps it even better in order to blend. Okay guys, so let's blend this out. Keep blending. Looks good from this side. Let's check that side now and start blending that too. जब आप अपना फाउंडेशन या कंसीलर कुछ सेकंड्स के लिए छोड़ देते हैं स्किन पे, वो वैसे भी अपनी पिगमेंट को इंस्टेंटली बढ़ा देता है. So let's get this sweet little foundation going on. Close your lips. Lips के ऊपर भी guys properly cover करें, because we get to get very oily and sweaty on this area, जो हमारे जहाँ पे पसीने सबसे ज़्यादा आते हैं. And then comes your forehead. If your T-zone is oily, then आपकी ये T-zone जो बन रहा है ना this will be super oily as well. अगर तो आपका T-zone oily है तो उस पे ज़्यादा focus करें as compared to other parts of your face, which is your forehead and your nose area, जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा oil produce होता है. That is called the T-zone. Okay, so let's keep blending this. Blend. You guys can see मैं आराम से इसको blend कर रही हूँ and it looks amazing. I'm going to apply some on the lid. Close your eye ताकि वो एक fresh look भी आए इनका. And it looks just fine. Okay guys, this looks just great on her. So guys, this is the look of the foundation. You guys can easily do it at home. Easily by purchasing this baddie. आपके पास इसका QR कोड आपकी स्क्रीन पे मौजूद है एंड इवन प्रोडक्ट आईडी. ऑल यू हैव टू डू इज आपको अपना फ़ोन निकालना है, बाईपास कि ऐप को डाउनलोड करना है, इसके QR कोड को स्कैन करना है और घर बैठे बैठे यू विल रिसीव योर प्रोडक्ट एंड यू कैन ब्लेंड योर फाउंडेशन एंड लुक अमेजिंग. Or guys, if you don't want to or you can't scan the QR code, then we also have a way out, which is our WhatsApp number. So you are going to send the product ID to our WhatsApp number and nothing else. You're just going to sit home and just purchase this product. And all bhi hamare jitne bhi products hain, you guys can purchase that from our WhatsApp number. All you have to do is send the product ID of all the products I tell you guys. Uske aapke screens pe product ID aa jati hai. You guys can easily purchase it. Okay, so back to our look. I think the summer glam is not just about looking beautiful, but also about the fact how to keep that stay of it, you know, how to have that stay. Okay, so before I go to my next step, I'm gonna take a short break. Welcome back to Beauty Parlor, guys. I'm your host Gulali K. Afridi, and we're doing a look which is a glam look, which is supposed to survive this heat, the sun. So guys, when we talk about sun, we're supposed to keep everything very minimal, especially our foundation. So, you know, कम chances होते हैं आपके makeup के फटने के. One rule is that, 1 point, I would say. So guys, we're done with the foundation. We used our No Block foundation. Now we're going to put in some color to her cheeks because I think she looks really pale right now. So I have our 6 color matte blusher by TV Parlor. ये मैंने हज़ारों मर्तबा अपने शो पे यूज़ किया है and I think अब तक तो सबने ये खरीद ही लिया होगा. So let me take this out for you guys. This is the oh so popular palette of TV Parlor, which we thoroughly love and enjoy. So guys, this is the matte one. It comes with a little, you know, brush as well, a very compact brush. I'm going to use something close to her outfit, like her dupatta is towards the corally tea pink side. So I'm going to use that only. I'm going to use this shade and mix them together. Okay, smile. So the reason why I'm using a matte blush is so it can stay put throughout. I'm not using a cream or liquid, you know, that I usually do. I'm using more of a matte shade, which is going to stay put throughout the day and night. Looks stunning to me. Let's put it on the other side as well. Beautiful. आप चाहें तो आप इस applicator के instead of this brush, आप अपना brush भी use कर सकते हो. If you guys are not comfortable with, you know, using different brushes, you can always use what you like, of course. And I'm going to keep blending this. I'm not a fan of their, you know, applicator, their brush, but I love their blushes. Okay, looks beautiful. You can always skip the brush part and stick to the blush, the product itself. Love, 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 love. इसकी pigment बहुत तेज है. Let me show you guys. It is so strong. That is why I wanted to pick this product and use it. I'm giving her the pinky effect again because it's really going to suit her dress as well. So let's do that. And if you feel like आपका blush on ज़्यादा तेज हो गया, take your blender again and dab, 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 dab. You can always make it look a little less pigmented by easily blending from the same sponge जिससे आपने अपना foundation apply किया था. You can blend from that too. And I think it's perfect now. Okay, now we're done with this baddie. इसका भी QR code आपकी screens पे मौजूद है, guys, and also the product ID. So if you wish to buy it, all you have to do is, you know the drill, download our Bypass app, you know, scan the QR code या तो आप इसका एक तरीका ये है, दूसरा तरीका is that you guys can send the product ID to our WhatsApp number and we're gonna send it to you. So guys, looks amazing and I absolutely love it. Now I have our Any Lady Delicate Girl Makeup Palette and it is so cute. It is so cute. I think it's made for me. It is the cutest. It's an eyeshadow, blusher, highlighter, eyebrow powder, lipstick all in one. Let me show you guys how. So you open this up and you find a whole world of makeup in this cute little baddie. It is so compact, but it has everything in one palette. This is amazing. इसमें glitter shade भी है, इसमें आपके matte dark shades भी हैं, इसमें आपकी warm की family भी है, इसमें आपकी pink की भी family है guys. And even these basic, eyeshadow nude colors. And then the best part comes कि आपके eyeshadows बोल रही हूँ, eyebrow color भी है यहाँ पे. You're sorted. You have your highlighter, your blusher. Wow, what else do you need, guys? And then we have this lipstick palette as well. And we have 4 different shades of lipstick. I think this one palette, मुझे तो blush on की भी I think ज़रूरत नहीं थी. I could have used this. Literally, this palette is that handy and so generous of the brand to put everything in one palette and make it easy for us. Okay guys, so let's start her eye makeup look. I want to keep it chilled out because she's wearing pink and light. So I'm going to use a pink shade from my fingers, like a light pink shade. Close your eyes and just apply it to the corners of her eyes. I'm also going to apply some glitter because we want that glam look, of course. Close your eyes. I'm just gonna apply that glitter. मुझे ना glue की need है इसमें, ना मुझे किसी भी चीज़ की need है. I can just go as it is. I'm going to do the same on the left eye as well. Absolutely love it. Looks just great. Fun. Oh my god. This is so fun. I'm loving the look. Wow. Look at that. Guys, the seller for this product is Honeyverse. आपको भी अगर इतना ही appealing लग रहा है ये पूरी palette जितनी मुझे लग रही है, then guys, take out your phones and buy this baddie because you can see wearing glitter is so easy from this one palette. I'm going to take my brush and I'm going to dip it in the black shade and I'm going to fill in her lower lash. So we want that glam look for her. Close your eyes. Look at that, guys. So cool. This is so cool. Absolutely love it. And you put in more color here. Amazing. This is so pretty. I love. Look up. Okay, I'm going to blend this, give that a little smoke out look. और मैं इनके eyebrows के लिए ये shade उठाऊंगी. And I'm going to do nothing but just fill her arch. मुझे ज़्यादा harsh look नहीं चाहिए इनके लिए. So I'm just going to fill that arch to give a nice eyebrow look for her. This is so good. I love it. Amazing palette, guys. The more I feel like I don't even need to rave about this palette because it's such an amazing palette. So हम arch fill कर देते हैं इसका further more. And I've made the brows slightly thicker than what it was. And I'm going to take a brown shade. Close your eyes. And fill the corners as well. I'm going to fill in the crease. Wow, look at that. So pretty. Fill in more color to the corner and then just blend it out. Love it. Absolutely amazing. It's going to give that look that we all need. और थोड़ा color आप इसमें add करके bring it inside. Do the same on the other side. Look at that. So pretty. I absolutely love it. I'm going to take that black a little more. नीचे देखिए. And put it on the eyes to intensify the black tone also. So you guys have a idea how to use that black tone too. And then just blend it from your fingers. Love, it's so pretty. Super glam look. And I'm going to now take our lipstick brush और मैं इसको dip करूँगी हमारे इस shade में जो maroonish है, smile. And I'm just going to line her lips. मैं इस color को, let me show you guys कि इसको आपने पहले line किया. You're going to trace it to the lip line of her. जैसे हम lip liners को जैसे use करते हैं. आपने वो use किया, उसको blend किया. And then you come on top. If you like your lips to be a little pouty, then you can always overline like this. Create the illusion that your lips are bigger without those fillers, you know. You won't need the fillers if you create that look. You guys can see हमने एक side से इनकी lips को completely lift किया हुआ है. Now I'll do the same on the side as well to give the puffy lip and, you know, to give that fuller lip effect. Oh, I love it. So cute. Okay, now let's blend this out from the same, you know, brush and the same color. And I'm going to put it all in together. I'll show you guys how to also clean those sides. So just stay focused. Okay, now I'm going to take this lighter pink shade और वो मैं बीच में दे दूँगी इनके ताकि वो एक ombre effect आए इनका and her lips will instantly start looking fuller by this trick. No fillers needed whatsoever. All you have to do is add that lighter shade of color to the middle and blend it out. Smile. Okay, guys, jab tak I'm doing this ombre shade, you guys take a short break and come back. Welcome back guys to Beauty Parlour and आप जैसे देख रहे थे कि हमने any lady का पूरे palette से इनका face finish कर दिया है, her eyes, her lips और मैंने blush on का भी थोड़ा touch up दे दिया, her eyebrows are also done. Amazing palette you guys, honestly I feel like everyone should own it. It is an amazing any lady palette by Henny Wurst. Now let's go back to our eyes and finish our look by a nice eyeliner. And I have our 3D eyeliner, liquid liner by Dyfee. And I absolutely love it because this is like a matte, you know, eyeliner which is going to help her liner to stay put throughout the day. Okay guys, how to wear that liner? आपने आंख बंद करवाई अपने, you know, model की. You're going to now start applying it all over the eye. Amazing. Love this liner. And it is so easy to use it. Guys, इसका भी जो है QR code आपके screens पे इस वक्त मौजूद है. Quickly go to open your phones, download our app or go to our app and simply scan the QR code and buy it घर बैठे बैठे. या तो हमारे product ID के through आप इसको खरीद सकते हैं, which is also super easy. Guys, इसकी जो nib है, it is so pointed and so easy. ये खुद ही eyeliner को easy कर देता है use करने में. Okay, now I'm just going to wing it out, which is our typical that, you know, we love to wing it out. Love! It's so pretty. Okay, I'm going to do the same routine on the left eye. You guys can see it's just so beautiful. Love it. The liner looks amazing. इसका QR code और ID आपके screen पे मौजूद है, guys. Quickly take off your phones and buy this Difee 3D eyeliner. Okay, now last but not the least, we have our Masarrat Misbah's Drama Lash. It's going to give her that volume she needs now in her eyes. Oh, I think I have मेरे हाथों से इनका लिपस्टिक आगे पीछे हुई है, but back to our mascara, that it is a nice voluminizing mascara and it's really going to finish that look right now. Okay, let's open this Drama Mama, you guys. Wow, it's so pretty. Look at the packaging. This is their limited edition mascara, which you get on Bypass. You guys quickly take out your phones because this is a limited edition and it's going to run really fast. So before it gets sold out, we should quickly एक तो purchase it. ऊपर से how to apply a mascara, lift your lid like this and keep applying it. Go in, you guys. Fully go in. Beautiful. I love. It's so cute. Okay. Another one. Absolutely amazing. I love it. Really nice. Super good. Okay, guys. ये आपने किया इसको और आप देख सकते हैं इसमें कितना वॉल्यूम आ रहा है. Guys, इसका QR code और ID भी आपके स्क्रीन पर मौजूद है. This is by Masarrat Misbah. The seller for it is Masarrat Misbah. You guys can easily purchase this. I'm going to apply it to her lower lash as well because we're doing a glam look is why we're going all out right now. Else I like to keep it natural, pretty, glowy, you know, girly look, you know, very doll type. Look, I love her lashes. They're so pretty. The lash game is strong, guys. The lash game is strong. Wow, look at that. Amazing. Guys, so if you wish to buy this little baddie, take out your phones, हमारी Bypass की ऐप डाउनलोड करें. आपके पास इन सारे प्रोडक्ट्स के QR कोड, product ID सब मौजूद था, guys. All you had to do was take out your phones, download the app and scan the QR codes. Warna, the other step was to easily send all the product IDs to our WhatsApp number and to buy it. So guys, today's look was how to survive your glam look from the sun, and this is how, keeping it all matte and locked. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed our show as much as we did. Until next time and until next topic, see you guys again. Ciao.